Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The PDP governors in South has humiliated the former governor of River State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, Nyesom Wike, by their staying away from the South Zonal Congress that was held on Saturday. It was a clearest indication that the South zone of the PDP has rejected Nyesom Wike, which now calls to question his value to delivering South to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027. You know, this is the first time that the South governors, who are indeed the stronghold of PDP right now in Nigeria, boycotting South Zonal Congress that were held in Cross River State, in Calabar, precisely the capital of Cross River State. Nyesom Wike, speaking at that occasion, insisted that that Congress, that Zonal Congress, is final, that nothing can stop it, and is the authentic Congress of the party. But the National Working Committee, through the statement released by the National Public Secretary, totally rejected that Congress, saying that the party is unaware of it and the party is not part of it. Now, it's instructive that the meeting or the Congress took place. The governor of Delta State was not there. The governor of Bayelsa State was not there. The governor of Akwa State was not there. The governor of River State was not there. That was the clearest message to Nyesom Wike that they have had enough of his interference in the People's Democratic Party. It was also an indication that they don't want to have anything to do with him, despite the influence that he wields, or his influence which he has at the federal government, being the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, and being somebody who is believed to have the ear of the president. The South PDP has sent a message to him that what is left for him now is to leave the party. I think that's the message they wanted to send, that Nyesom Wike, just leave the party. You're no longer wanted in this party. Because what is the essence of Nyesom Wike even remaining in the party? Because PDP, when you listen to many PDP leaders talk, they talk about that the country is bad under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And they are working to see how to change Bola Ahmed Tinubu in 2027 to stop the country from going into the abyss, literally. And then you have somebody who claimed to be a member of the party and who is insisting that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is the best thing to happen to Nigeria since sliced bread. So on what basis why should he continue to be in the party? Why should he continue to be tolerated? Which party does that? Even the APC will never tolerate such a thing from any of their members. Imagine it was PDP that's in power and the APC has a minister in government. APC will not tolerate it. No party will tolerate that, because that is the clearest broadcast of anti-party activity. Yet, Nyesom Wike keep on interfering in the party, keep on dictating to the party, even when he is working for a party that is against the PDP. But what happened on Saturday perhaps will be a lesson both for him and for the PDP going forward. There come a time a party has to take a stand. The PDP governors in South has taken a stand. The stand they have taken by rejecting that Congress held in Calabar on Saturday is not only that they rejected Nyesom Wike, it was also an indication that they are with Simi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State, who has also passed through a lot in the hands of Nyesom Wike and the pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers. So this is also a message by these PDP governors in South that they are solidly behind Simi Fubara, and that Simi Fubara is the leader of PDP in Rivers State. And if Simi Fubara is not in sync with any project that is supposedly concerning Rivers State, they are not going to be part of it. Because think of it, Nyesom Wike himself, in a normal circumstance, he is now under the leadership of Fubara, because Fubara is now the leader of the party. It is a given in Nigeria that the governor is the leader of the party in any state. Even if you're a former governor, once a new governor is sworn in, he automatically becomes the leader of the party in that state. The former governor now comes under him. It's just like what we take, for instance, in Enugu State. Governor Peter Mba is now the leader of PDP in Enugu State, and not Buruburu, who just left power and handed over to him. Buruburu may be influential as a former governor of the state, but he cannot claim to be the leader of PDP in Enugu State. And that is the tradition everywhere. Even right now, Uzodinma is the leader of APC in Imo State. You cannot say that it is Rochas Okorocha, because Rochas Okorocha was former governor of Imo State. It's not done anywhere. So automatically, what these South governors in PDP have done is to send a message that they recognize Fubara as the leader of PDP. And that, being that the case, Nyesom Wike and Obia, the one that is the Zonal PDP chairman or whatever, cannot claim to dictate the tune of the PDP, whether in Rivers State or in the South. I think that it was a clear message. It was a well expressed message. Even though the minister is doubling down, he said that this meeting is the final. But you and I know that that is his own saying. At the end of the day, everything may end up in court. But court has become, has become the savior of people who operate with impunity in Nigeria. So, but whatever may be the case, the message is now out there. The PDP in South, they are united. And they are united against Nyesom Wike's intrigues and machinations in South. And that is a clear message to the President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that the person he is relying on to help him deliver Rivers State, help him deliver South, has been rejected by the PDP in South. Unless he's now going to, because one of the benefits I hope they think is that they will use Nyesom Wike to galvanize vote for PDP for APC. I don't know how they are going to do it, but that is their thinking. Either to use Nyesom Wike to make sure that PDP doesn't have a presidential candidate, or to use Nyesom Wike to ensure that PDP doesn't have any credible candidate that can challenge Nyesom Wike. But whatever may be the case, the PDP governors in South has indeed humiliated the minister by not turning up, by rejecting that South Congress that was held on Saturday. And that message, I'm sure, will send a lot of people thinking, even at the presidency, on how far Nyesom Wike can go in being able to disorganize the PDP. From all indication, by their coming together to to reject this zonal meeting, it means that the PDP leaders are trying to get their ass together. Whether it will work or it's too little, too late, remains to be seen. But what is clear is that they are now beginning to show their true strength to Nyesom Wike, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja. I don't know what to think about this. What do you think about the South Governors, PDP Governors' rejection or humiliation of Nyesom Wike by boycotting that Zonal Congress that was held in Calabar? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.